Hello kids! Today's topic of the story is a never-end story. Once there was a king who loved to hear stories. Every day he heard interesting and different stories. One day, he wanted to hear a never-ending story. He made announcement that whoever will tell me a never-ending story, I would reward him. Many people came to tell their longest stories, but no one could. One day, a little boy came to tell his story. The king decided to give him a chance. The little boy was confident and started to tell his story. Once upon a time, a bird was passing through a warehouse. She got into the warehouse where she saw a pile of rice. She took a grain of rice and went back to her nest. On the way, other birds saw her and followed her to the warehouse. Now many birds came and took grain of rice. This continued for many days. King said, "Okay, what happened next?" Boy said, "Your Majesty, story will move forward when all rice will be finished." King smiled and said, "I got it. Your story will never end. I appreciate your wisdom. You deserve a reward." Moral: wisdom might wins.